Now guys, as I mentioned in the beginning of the course, I will be covering everything in the logical step. And so again, after you edit the video, the time now is to create the thumbnails, but here's two things. First of all, I already have the course about thumbnails where I covered what are thumbnails, how to create them, what are like object placement, principles. Everything is here already for you. And if you navigate to these two very important sessions, training sessions with Luke Belmar's type of thumbnail and especially Alex Hermosi's type of thumbnail, and as you can see, if we go to this channel, it's kind of very similar, and in fact we managed to make, let me show you. So I'm gonna actually navigate to this video, and as you can see right here, basically we can see duplicate thumbnails. Those are not duplicate. I actually entirely recreated Alex Hermosi's thumbnail showing all the techniques, and technically it's the exact same technique that we're going to be doing with the channel. Obviously I'm going to be creating a bunch of thumbnails in the live final training session, but if you want to know how to create thumbnails, again, just navigate to the classroom and go to the thumbnail training, and we're moving on to the next lesson.